How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save your Arduino data to Excel. The first thing that you want to do is to simply search for the cool term Roger Meyer. You want to head over to the Roger Meyer's freeware. In here, you want to get the cool term application. So you just want to select your operating system, and basically the application will look something like this. You want to open the Arduino IDE and make sure that your Arduino is connected to your device. From here, click connect, click on the connect button, which will be right here. Click options and just make sure that your Arduino is connected properly. You just have to make sure that the port, baud rate, and everything in here is set properly. Now, if you're having some problems, you can just click on the rescan serial ports, and then basically this will then correct your connection. From there, you then want to run your Arduino IDE, and then once again, you just have to make sure that it reflects right here. So the next thing that you want to do is to export those data. You want to click on start, and from here you can name your data the way you want to. In our case, let's just name this something like data serial, and then let's place it onto our desktop to make things easier for us to find. Now you want to head over to your Excel. From here, click open, click browse, and then you want to head over to the location of the imported text file. Now, if you cannot locate it on Excel, what you can do is to simply copy the file location of your file. So just click on Control-C, navigate back to browse, and then you want to place it right here. So in my case, it's going to be inside the user, the computer name, desktop, and the file name itself. Click on open, and basically it will then import the data onto our Excel. Unfortunately, the data serial doesn't have anything on it, but it will then be imported onto Excel, and then you're all good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.